Hi, I'm Wire. Welcome to Wireworks. Hey everybody, Wire here. Being since I've been home, I'm getting cabin fever because we can't go out. And I don't know if I told you, the flea market that I have both my stores in been shut down for 2 weeks now. I don't know when I'll be getting back here. But anyway, I figured it's probably a good time to do this vintage tackle box. I don't know if you guys saw this a couple weeks ago, but when I bought the tackle shop, this old tackle box was in there. It's all made of steel. Looks like somebody already painted or something. So what we're going to do is, it's really not in bad shape. It's just got a bad paint job. We got a little bit of rust on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to restore this, and I'm not going to use it for anything. I don't think I'm going to be using it for anything. So I believe this was built in the late 40s, early 50s. Someone told me that. I just don't never, in my lifetime, I've never seen a metal tackle box. And I'm 67, so this is older than me. Anyway, guys, let me get set up here, and we'll start taking this apart. Yeah, these rivets on this toolbox really gave me a hard time. It took me quite a long time to get them done. Okay, this is what we have. It took me about an hour and a half to get this all apart. I'll tell you one thing, these rivets aren't aluminum rivets, man. I don't know what they made rivets back in these days. But they said it took me an hour to get these off, about a half an hour to get all this other stuff off. This stuff doesn't bend like the stuff they make nowadays. But what I'm going to do is clean this up. I'm going to put it in a parts washer, degrease it, and then we're going to strip the paint off of it. So let's get back to this. I'll put you on a parts washer and we'll go from there. Okay, this degreaser I'm using in here, it does take off rust and it does take off paint. So I'm going to let these sit overnight, as well as the toolbox itself. And we will clean it up a little bit. Alright, let me finish this bottom one here. The rust is coming right off. Okay, what we're going to do is I'm going to let these sit overnight. And inside of here, and we'll see what they look like tomorrow. Especially the fixtures that I took off them. They had a lot of rust on them. I may have to wind up putting them in de-ruster, but we'll see. We'll see what it looks like tomorrow when we get back to it. So we'll get back to this tomorrow. I know it's overnight for me, but probably only 10 seconds for you guys. Anyway, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. I'm hoping everybody is staying in the house and staying safe. I really don't like anybody getting sick from this thing, especially the people who live up in New York. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Okay, this is the next day. I left this in overnight. I really didn't do too much with the paint on this. The fixtures I'm going to leave in an extra day. I'm going to work on these and the trays, and these are a little bent. But we're going to straighten that all out. So what we're going to do is put some paint stripper on here. And see if we can get all this garbage off of here. I do some time lapse on this, and let's get to it. Paint stripper works real well, but it creates a mess. I had to use probably a half a gallon to get all this paint off of this. Okay, this is 2 days later. Yeah, 2 days later. Is that right? I started this on Tuesday. Today's Thursday, right? I'm confused, man. Anyway, paint stripper worked real well. A lot of dents and dings here. We're gonna bang these all out. Try to get this all flat. I don't have any kind of hammers, you know, body hammers or anything like that, tools. So I might just go over Harbor Freight and get one or two of them. I don't know. Let me see what I have. I really don't want to spend too much money. I'm out of work. But these came out really nice. These are the trays. These came out better than the toolbox. This have a lot more rust on it, so we're gonna have to, there's a dent right here. I'm gonna have to bang this out, see if I can get that out. And well, I'm not gonna wire wheel these. Probably sand them down and use the fiber wheel I have on my cutoff tool, my pneumatic cutoff tool. Looks pretty good. It came out a lot better than I thought. It stripped a lot better than I thought anyway. So, and let me get these. The paint came off all the fixtures a little bit. So there's a whole pile of these fixtures over there. So what I'm going to do first is we're going to wire wheel these fixtures here. And then we're going to get to the toolbox itself. So let me get this wire wheel set up, and we'll start doing this. Okay, here's what we got. Obviously, the heating this metal up and putting it oil didn't work the way I wanted it to. I was hoping to darken it up so I wouldn't have to paint these. I don't know if I didn't heat them up high enough. I don't know. But seemed the handle turned out pretty good, but the fixtures that were composite pieces didn't turn out as well. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them yet. I don't know if I'm going to hit them with paint or just leave them the way they are. Anyway, this project's taken me a lot longer to do than what I expected it. So this is going to be a two-part project. So what we'll do is we'll finish it up in the second part. I've already got 3 days into this, and we're not even halfway done. Anyway, I'll catch you guys the next time, and maybe we'll finish this up. I still have to find out how I'm going to get all the dents out of this toolbox. Anyway, fellas, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys later. This is Wire. See ya.